What's up, guys? It's your boy Daimian here. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna do an BB. I got some BB guns over here. We're gonna be testing them, shooting this box over here. It's just normal box, you know, nothing new. Put the circle on it. We'll be shooting that. See if it goes through that. You can email me. I'm currently looking for an airsoft group. You can email me at iviedaimian at gmail.com. That's my Gmail right there. And so let's get to it. Come on, guys. So what we have here is a pistol from Powerline, as you can tell, right there. It is a 4.6 millimeter. And here's the clip right here, or mag, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna load this up. Load this up real quick. We're gonna be testing out 3 rounds. See if that goes through. We got my trusty old companion here. Okay. It's loaded now. Got some BBs in there. Back that up. Now, it's not CO2. It is a spring, so it's not nothing fancy. Alright, so we're just going to get right to it. So we're going to test out this. We're going to shoot out this box right here and see if it goes through. Okay, that was one. Let's look at this. Okay, as you can tell, shot right there. Now it doesn't seem it went through. Nope, didn't go through. So we're gonna try 3 rounds. Hopefully it lands in the same spot. So we're gonna try that. Hopefully. Okay. See what that is. We were completely off. That is quite spread. I didn't really aim for the same spot. But trying to get into it. This sight's a little bit off, so remind you of that. We're gonna do one more round. There's one more in here. Then we're gonna go to the AR. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Let's see if that went through, guys. Cross our fingers, hope. Okay, this time I hit right there. Oh, well. Oh, here's something interesting. There's the BB right there I just shot, stuck in there. And if you can tell, right there, it did go through, but there's nothing on right here. It's completely blank. So we're just gonna do that. Now we're gonna move on to the AR. So, like that. So, what we have here, we have a pump. This ain't CO2, it's pump. And it is an M4177. It's by Crossman. and it's pumped, as you can tell. Pump it up, and there's some BBs already in here prepared for it, so don't need to reload it. We're just gonna cut. So there's a chamber right there. Pull that back. Hold on, wait. There wasn't any BBs in there. Let's see. Is there any? So there's a little clip right there, which you can unplug, and the BBs feed through that. So we're just gonna do that real quick. Okay, got feeded. Let's do that. Now there's a BB in there. Let's pump this up real quick. Now this is a little bit more powerful, just to let you guys know. So hopefully this goes through. All right. So let's do that real quick. So I'm a little bit lower. Let's see if we can do it. See where I hit there. Okay. Oh, okay. This time we hit right there. We did go through. We went through. Okay. There's the bullet, or there's a round right there. As you can tell, it went completely through the box. See, there's another hole. And there's where I shot. That's where I shot. So the sight is a little bit off too as well, because I was aiming kind of like around here somewhere. So I'm aiming a little bit lower. See if that we can hit the bullseye. That's what I'm meaning to do. See if we can hit that. We're gonna try a little bit more rounds. Maybe we'll try 4, depending on. So guys, just a reminder, if you are in airsoft and you have an empty spot for another person, I would love to join your group. I'm looking for a group right now. Email me at iviedaimian@gmail.com, and let's get right to it. All right. There's a BB in there. Go ahead. Do that. Go. Alright, let's see if that also went through. So, put that down. So, put it right there. Oh, we actually hit right there. So we hit right here, right there. There's a second hole. Went completely through the box. So looks like it went down, right? There's another hole right there. And ooh, yeah, went completely through it. There's 2 holes now. There was only 1, but now there's another one because I just saw another one. So that's 2 holes right there. But for some reason we hit right there. So that's weird. But we're gonna shoot 1 more and end it off right there. 1 more round. And we're gonna end it off right there. All right, guys. Hopefully we can hit this. Okay. See if that went through. Okay. Okay, that was better. We actually hit the target this time. I drew like a little circles around here. Then we pressed through 1. Went through that one. Yep, there's another hole right here. There's 3 holes now. Wow. Okay, well then. And I do have a CO2 one, is also Crossman, but I don't have CO2 canisters for that one. In next video, comment down if you want to see that. And peace out, guys.
And subscribe.
And subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, leave a comment, and again,
And thumbs up.
And thumbs up. And also, again, iviedaimian.com. If you have a free spot, hit me up. I'll look at it. And peace out, guys.